This is the intro for Jesus Paid It All. So it goes. Okay, so just keep going. Dun, dun, da, da, dun, dun. These two. And then this one just. Dun, 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 dun. It's basically the A chord, and then it does a D chord, and it does a B minor chord, and it does the A chord, and it does the A again. So dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun. But what we're doing is we're putting the transitionary note in between. Dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun da da dun dun dun. And I guess normally the bass would do this, but in case you're supporting the bass, it's. And then it's in between. It's in the intro, so you keep doing that, and it goes straight into the first verse, which is dun 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 dun. Something like that, right? And then it goes, Jesus paid it all. Da 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 da. Okay? Alright, there's all.